Activity 1, Community Aid Qualification and Release System. So here, nire-record tayo na gumawa na, our required feature is use scanner for all inputs, use while loop to validate negative values and invalid package choice, use logical and or and not in the qualification rules, use else if to assign a priority level, use switch to display the requested package name and its short description, then use do while so the program can process multiple applicant. So use a for loop to print decorated line or triangle made of symbols. So yung last is display applicant summary, qualification result and priority level, package type and final remarks. So yung challenge extension dito is mag-make daw tayo ng rules strict enough to feel realistic. So for example daw is yung resident
Hindi yun madidinig sa
may become fully qualified only if income is low and resident is long enough, or if the applicant is a senior citizen or PWD with low income, and add at least one disqualification rule that uses not. So here, ito yung code natin para sa barangay qualification natin. So start tayo sa nag-input tayo ng Java Putil.scanner, then public class barangay app. Tapos kinasay na natin si scanner SC equals new scanner para magamit natin yung scanner. Then tayo ng data type na string and pangalan, variable name niya again. So first step, gumawa tayo ng do while para yung applicant natin makapag submit ng input ng paulit-ulit. Then sa decoration, need ng decoration, ito gumawa tayo ng for loop, then int I equals 0, then I less than 40 plus II, increment II. Then system.outprint asterisk. Then pangalan ng natin, barangay community aid system, then for loop uli para doon lang uli. Then next is yung string name natin. So dito natin ini-store yung magiging input ng user. Then after nun is yung int age. So ganun din, inaano natin yung age ng applicant kung dito may stored sa age. So gumamit tayo ng while loop para sa condition natin, para kapag if negative yung value na in-input ng user, lalabas yung invalid age, enter again. So babalik uli siya sa question sa taas kasi nga hindi niya sinunod yung rules dito. So next is yung double income. So tayo, enter monthly income, ganun lang uli, next dot double. Tas while para sa condition natin, pag invalid yung income na in-input ng user, ulit lang uli. So same lang din dito, int dependent, enter number of dependent. So here, ganun lang uli. So gumawa tayo ng while loop, then condition, then kapag mali yung in-input na number ng user, mag-enter again. So int uli, residency, so year of residency in barangay. So yung kapag yung user uli, gumawa tayo ng condition na while loop, kapag mali uli yung pag invalid years na nilagay niya, mag-enter again. Then next is kung yung input if senior citizen, so magtatanong tayo dito sa user kung senior ba siya o hindi. Then true or false, so boolean senior tayo. So next dot boolean. So ganun din, dito din may stored yung value kung PWD ba yung user. So next is yung package selection natin. Ito yung food pack, hygiene pack, then school pack. So dito gumamit tayo na int package para malaman natin kung anong number yung hinihingi ng user. So na tayo. Tapos so sc.next line para matapos na yung question dito ng So next is etong string qualification. So yung string qualification, so gumawa tayo na umano tayo ng logical operation natin, yung if then else if, then else. So yung if yung income ng user natin is less than or equal sa 10,000, and so gawin tayo ng end condition. So dapat yung both statement natin is same dapat siya, or nagre-represent siya ng true. So yung residency is greater than or equal sa 3, then or senior, tapos or uli PWD, then and uli na logical operator, then income, then less than or equal to 12,000. Then after if yung user natin is na-acquired niya yung pinaka requirements natin, so yung qualification niya is fully qualified. So next is, ito yung next condition natin, or else if yung income ng user input natin is 15,000 less than or equal to 15,000, and dependence is greater than or equal to 2, then and not equal, kapag not equal yung ano niya, or greater than sa 20,000, so yung qualification niya is partially qualified. So next is yung else condition natin, ito yung qualification and not qualified. So next is yung ano natin, string priority. So yung priority level natin, ginamitan natin siya ng else if. So if yung income nga if yung income ng user natin or applicant natin is less than or greater than, less than or equal sa 8,000, and dependence is greater than or equal sa 3, means na priority siya or critical. Then else if, gumawa tayo ng else if, kapag yung income ng user applicant is less than or greater than equal to 12,000, or gumawa tayo ng or kasi meron tayong senior tsaka PWD, then priority high. So else if uli, kapag yung income is less than or equal to 18,000, priority standard. So else priority waitlisted. So yung stream package name, tapos description, yan. So switch statement to display package description. Next is yung case 1. Yes po sir, nare-record.
Bantaan nyo lang ako
Okay po sir. So kapag pinindot ni user yung choice natin, pinindot niya yung 1, so mag-i-input yung package name, food pack. So description niya, rice, canned good, and basic groceries. Then break. So ginagamit natin yung break para uminto yung code natin, and para di na siya mag-continue sa susunod na cases. So next is case 2, yung package name, hygiene pack. Case 3 natin, school pack, and case 4 is food support pack. So yung description niya, combination of food and hygiene and school supplies. So after nun is display result summary. So here naglagay lang tayo ng applicant summary. Then next is name, age, income, dependent, residency, yung senior citizen pa siya or PWD, qualification, priority, package, description. Then ito yung final remarks natin, kung fully ba yung condition natin, kung fully qualified ba or partially qualified o hindi. So next is yung decoration sa footer pattern, decoration sa baba. Then next is yung kung gusto pa i-continue ng user. So ito yung kanina, yung string again, ito yun again sa do while natin. So it means na kapag yung user natin gusto pa uli na yes, pag kinlik niya yung yes, uulit uli. So yung while natin, condition natin, again that equals ignore case as yes. So kapag nino niya yan, it means magko-close na yung code. So try natin na run. Java parang so ito yung code, enter applicant natin. Code din 79 10,000 natin 2 3 Next. Ay, mali pala. Bubu. Ulit na. Java. Barangay.
Manis ka.
Ikaw, mali ako naman eh. Okay, applicant name, Arnel. So, age ko, sabihin natin, 16 na tayo. 12,000, kinikita natin. Then, 3. Then, listahan na nila sa barangay 4. Senior na, 3. So, sabihin natin, meron pa tayong pansanan, arthritis. 4 tayo. Fully qualified, then priority level high, requested package. So final remarks, approve tayo dun sa ano. So natin. So next, tapos tayo dito sa isang video.